Hey guys, good morning from Speed Shield. This is the after video of a multi-step paint correction on this X. We also did some PDR on it, and we're going to do a full front clear bra. But as you can see, the multi-step paint correction just brought out all the gloss in this thing. Oh, let me adjust. There you go. So this X is an older X. Had a few miles. As you see, it's kind of got the older interior on it, and the paint needed some TLC, needed some love, so we gave it some love. I also gave it some fingerprints. Oops, I'll wipe those off later. But the paint came out stellar on this thing. It had a dent also on the passenger side front door that we took out, and then we polished it after we took the dent out. But this thing looks amazing. It really looks like a brand new car at this point, with the paint being so glossy. And after we do the clear bra on the front, we're going to also do quartz coating. And quartz coating is going to increase the scratch resistance of the paint, and it's going to make it hydrophobic and oleophobic, so it's going to be stain resistant. It's UV protective as well. So paint correction and quartz coating is really a fantastic service for your car. Makes the paint have much extra durability and longevity. So it's going to resist, sap sticking to it. It'll wash off much easier. It'll resist any environmental contamination sticking to it, like petroleum distillates in the air. And we drive around in a cloud of it all the time. So paint correction, quartz coating, and clear bra. Some of the best protection you can get from Speed Shield. Come check us out. Check out our YouTube channel. We're probably going to post this to YouTube and Facebook, but yeah, check out the website, speedshieldUSA.com. And our Instagram is really fun to follow as well, at Speed Shield. But yeah, come see us, get protected. Have fun with your car. Don't sweat it. Speed Shield.